In this video we will learn about vehicle. Let's start video.
This is a car.
It has 4 wheels and helps people travel on roads. Many families use it every day.
This is a bus.
It carries many people to school, cities, and other places. Buses are big and useful for group travel.
This is a truck.
It is used to carry heavy goods. Trucks help deliver things from one place to another.
This is a motorcycle.
It has 2 wheels and runs fast. People use it for quick travel.
This is a bicycle.
It is a simple vehicle with 2 wheels. You pedal it to move forward.
This is a scooter.
It is easy to ride and good for short distances. Many people use it in cities.
This is a van.
Carries people or goods in a large space. Vans are used by families and businesses.
This is a tractor.
It is used by farmers in fields. Tractors help pull heavy farming tools.
This is a train.
It runs on tracks and carries many people. Trains travel across cities and states.
This is an airplane.
It flies high in the sky. Airplanes help people travel long distances fast.
This is a helicopter.
It has rotating blades on top. Can fly straight up and land in small spaces.
This is a ship.
Travels on oceans and seas. Ships carry people and goods across water.
This is a boat.
It floats on rivers or lakes. Boats are used for travel and fishing.
This is a submarine.
Travels deep under the water. Submarines are used for research and defense.
This is an ambulance.
It carries sick or injured people to hospitals. Ambulances help in emergencies.
This is a fire engine.
It carries firefighters and water. It is used to put out fires.
This is a police car.
It helps police reach places quickly. Police cars keep people safe.
This is a taxi.
It takes people to different places for a fare. Taxis are easy to find in cities.
This is an auto rickshaw.
It is a small 3-wheeler. People use it for short city rides.
This is a metro train.
It runs in big cities on tracks. It helps people travel quickly without traffic.
This is a pickup truck.
It has an open back to carry goods. People use it for work and transport.
This is a Jeep.
It is strong and can travel on rough roads. Jeeps are used in hills and forests.
This is a crane.
It is used to lift heavy objects. Cranes help in building tall structures.
This is a bulldozer.
Pushes soil and rocks. It is used in construction work.
This is an excavator.
It digs soil with a big bucket. Excavators are used in building and mining work.
This is a forklift.
It lifts and moves heavy loads in factories. Forklifts are used in warehouses.
This is a skateboard.
It has 4 small wheels and no engine. Kids use it for fun and tricks.
This is a snowmobile.
It moves on snow with special tracks. People use it in snowy places.
This is an electric car.
It runs on battery power instead of fuel. It is quiet and eco-friendly.
This is a hovercraft.
It floats on air above land or water. Hovercrafts can move on many surfaces.